Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define field status variant. So use transaction code SIMG. You can also use the transaction code OBC4 for this configuration, but here I will go through the path here. Financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings here. Go to ledgers, then go to fields here, and here click define field status variants. I'll take a reference of the standard field status variant and click on copy as icon here. I'll create mine also 7075. Then click on OK here. Copy all. Now you can see all 43 field status variants are copied. Select your company code and go to field status group here. You can see all the groups are copied here. And if you want to create a new one, you can create new one from here also. Click on new entries. And here you can see like the groups fields details here, like in general data what are the fields available over there. You can make it suppress, required and optional. Likewise you can use all the groups here and you can update the setting as per your requirement. So I will delete it, I don't need this. Then click on save here, continue with this tr. So here by this way you can create field status variant for your company code.